Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Gala. Just wanted to do a quick update, mainly technical. We have to touch upon some fundamentals. There's actually some fundamentals I did want to talk about. But yeah, in general, we'll do a full update. Just want to give you my thoughts. I mean, Gala obviously has had a rough start of September. Has been quite bearish, has not even seen bullish momentum in the entire month so far. But I do think that that possibility is here at least. All right, so I wanted to talk about that, what needs to happen for that bullish breakout to happen, and some sort of a rally, because that is possible. But it's just with all the drama, of course, it's a bit hard, and perhaps it's hard to believe. But in those periods of time, it could actually be best. You know, at some point of time, like those cryptos that are under the most scrutiny actually do have a good chance to be manipulated and to rally, etc. All right, but that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a trading guide, which helps you to be able to learn how to analyze and trade like me, and a chat room full of traders, which is very, very valuable. So if you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Gala. All right, so the thing is that technically right now the situation for Gala is quite clear. Like it has found support for some reason at around 1.4 cents, and then there's resistance at 1.5 and 1.55 cents. It has dropped down there, obviously, ever since the beginning of September, after news came out that the whole Gala V2 was actually to hide some lawsuits and the implications of those lawsuits, or at least the causes of those lawsuits. So there's stress in the management team of Gala, which is obviously not great. And then at the same point of time, Bitcoin is not helping. Bitcoin has been quite bearish since the start of September, or at least has had quite a lot of bearish momentum, which did not help most altcoins. And then Gala right now is also still inflating a huge amount. Like, it's barely burning anything. And today, for example, 5 million Gala was entered into the market, which over the course of like, it's not that much, but over the course of weeks, it's going to be quite a lot. So that's not amazing. Overall, I do still think there's possibility for some sort of a rally for Gala. Technically, it would need to break above 1.5 and 1.55 cents. But the biggest reason for that, or the biggest catalyst which could be behind that, I would say, is manipulation. All right, so I know there are some big funds behind Gala which sometimes manipulate cryptos. So that could happen, but there's absolutely no indication of that. Like, the open interest on Saturday was quite high. Then it was also at around 1.5 cents, so it was trying to break above that. So then might have been the best time, because ever since the volume has actually dropped down, even though that was the weekend and now it's in the week, usually the volume then goes up. So it doesn't look likely that this is going to happen soon, but it's a possibility. Like I said, the main catalyst would be manipulation. On the other hand, if Bitcoin is able to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 27,000, for example, then that could also be enough. But in general, that's the area to watch, right? The area to watch is 1.5 cents. If Gala breaks above that, it doesn't even need to break above 1.55 cents. Just 1.5 is enough, bullish breakout, and then it will continue. Main price target would probably be around 1.7, 1.75 cents. Until that time, Gala will consolidate. And to be fair, if Bitcoin gets some sort of a crash in the next couple of days, which could happen, then Gala will continue down, break down below 1.4 cents, and will continue down to that 1.25 cents area. So be cautious, all right? But that's my full analysis. Those are my full thoughts on Gala. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.